Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman, and to have this very rare model of a Porsche 1993 964 Speedster with the Cup alloys. An absolutely stunning car in a lovely bright colour. Lots of great detail. I mean, look, even down to the seats, those bucket seats there, the lights, and let's spin it round as well. Stunning modern classic car. People love these. Very collectible. These they say the last of the air cooled, the last of the original true 911s, the air cooled ones. Absolutely beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please do like and subscribe.